Light as a feather, this eggless mango mousse is the perfect way to welcome summers. Made using just 3 ingredients and without gelatin or agar, this is one recipe that you need to try now. Serve it on a tart or in glasses. Either way, you will be welcomed with a burst of juicy mangoes in your mouth. Okay, so don't be surprised to know that you just need 3 ingredients to make this delicious melt in your mouth mango mousse, which is of course mangoes. Apart from that, cream and condensed milk to add the sweetness. You won't believe how simple it is to make the mousse. All you have to do is whip the cream, and when it is slightly thickened, add in the mango puree. Whisk that in and add the condensed milk. That's it. Now this is the stage when you can taste the cream and adjust the quantity of mango puree or the condensed milk to suit your taste buds, as each fruit is different, so the taste would vary. If you are watching one of our videos for the very first time, I would love to have you guys on board. Please do consider subscribing to our channel. Also hit the bell notification as I post new videos every single week on baking and desserts. And once you whip it to stiff peak stage, simply pour it into glasses or on a tart base if you're looking for some fancy dessert. So I have already shared both the egg based and eggless version of making a tart on the channel. You can refer either of that. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys. So the crucial thing is to refrigerate this for a minimum of 3 hours, and I believe that's the hardest part of the recipe too. So make it in glasses or on a tart base, or simply crush some Oreos or any biscuits of your choice, pour in melted butter and use that as the base too. The choice is yours. It's a perfect dessert for summers. And then simply decorate it as and how you like and serve. That's it. Wasn't that the simplest recipe ever? I like to serve them chilled. The combination of melt in your mouth mousse and the crumbly sweet tart base is just wonderful. I love this and I would highly recommend you guys to try it this summers. And if you do tag me on Instagram, I would love to see your magical spin on it. Also consider joining us on Instagram for more live baking sessions and free workshops. And that's it for this video. If you loved watching it, then hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and comment mango in the comment section if you are a die-hard mango lover like me. So see you in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.